From London to Ghana, yeah. BWF in the house, let's go. Integrity, excellence, we rise together. We stand with you. We stand with you. BWF, when the path is tough, we'll pull you through. From Seven Sisters to Accra too. We stand with you. We stand with you. On the high road in London town, 2028 on a house we're found. And Christine the sound. Family, immigration, wills and probate, we're around. 30 years strong in the game. We got a law in our name. When life gets heavy, we lift the weight. Together we claim the fame. Oh, you want a dream? You need a team. BBUF by your side, shine like the stream. From Accra's Golden Dawn to London City Gleam.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
You in a video no you can about customary marriage, a friend of proxy marriage, although say and proxy marriage. Into UK, send your name no worry what Ghana na would be cry or the paha bit media application. Bimusa wouldn't me, but ubet media. So worry what Ghana if you are worry a friend of customary marriage, be more friend of proxy marriage. What about UK? Ubet me use to be application. Into the main Maui, may mouse send a home office immigration for aim refuse your application. Two percent your application is successful. Now home office for approval application. First of all, so our any customary marriage. Your case be a friend of Kuju, UK case 2016. I said Mrana, Krona Warrior one, Mrana one who so the Ghana Brass. Ghana Mrana say, Ghana Mrana say, so we are customary marriage. I was say we you be Jinawa, obey yes, I don't know. It's usually alongside my and our papa, or Bussian 4, and now I won't be Bussian 4, or now for I was so mal to me. Into obey yes, my advice is obey statutory declaration every UK and our power of attorney. And now even a simple consent letter with more ID, our dear account say 1 hour to me, so Munjina on Yawa. So we are Berman and so Massa, a Senabaya in Kunia, Yena, and Ma sa to me. Omujina or Nabusian for no best swear statutory declaration. Now, what they call KMA, AMA, Metropolitan Assembly, District Assembly, baby, registry, marriage registry will be a. They call registrar and more certificate be a friend shadow one. Omo ye once on the statutory declaration account. Omo ma register no so letter and count. Letter na the beya and say adia oma ye January ana our red so what the Ghana so. If you want ebeko foreign affairs on the bullet charges. Ebeko court on the bullet charges. Why you win in a bar and yet shed Sefako Ghana High Commission. But we bet me a fako on almost bullet charges. Name mom. Why you win in a year no so I was all the man Ghana ni and our lawyer to Ghana Branas or winning dear for Ghana or real. Or said the lawyers no and you mean no more to Ghana Brasia who winning dear for Ghana our real. Or your water no a soon. And you are seeing and was our year. You say a Ghana now, yes. Lawyer, the obey. First of all, what you want to say here, or no better letter, long letter, at the account, church, Ghana, Brand at the Ghana law and Kasaka. Home office sometimes so many mistake quote to law, you say Ghana law, and Ghana law. The lawyer not the law of the application, and then a letter teaching our show, not the court. Or the court, you watch who she must say, a bit dim. Into then I was away. For Ghana need lawyer or to Ghana warriors. 2. And some ebusuan for being our warrior. My own tune by power of attorney statutory declaration and our letter will be my account. 3. Ebusuan for the best statutory declaration. Normally I call registry. Registry my marriage certificate in India or my letter at the account. We are I call foreign affairs. If you foreign affairs, I call judicial service. If you judicial service nearby UK, now it build what they are called Ghana High Commission, and yet a ship by all the choir a boa. Why you win in a chin? Ubia, our real some woman who try our real home for. Into our real home for me way. Yes, no crescent bar and bear money. A bushing phone, to make bushing phone in trap engagement photo, or friend engagement, and engagement our real. Who try home for me, yeah. Now we have application, put in for me, and so account. Your relations. We do it in our answer. I mean, it's more. So, open advice be a bit me follow BWF Solicitors. No afraid, near boy.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your location. Mema ankrankrabia akwaba eba ene yedwumedie so. Medire sa baby biara wo na hoye. Enen so twede ampadaro ma wacha ye nkwa acha ye ahoden na ye de dwumedie ebrem baby biara wo bia me de honchia de ma. BWF Solicitors ene asaka ye hu bi makofa na otwe na akwapraba na ye de topic a de bia hwehwe nneoma eko na ye de abetu bia na so sara adom nti ye be pensem bebre na se ne be ya obehu nea eko se wo ye wo application na wo de koto home officer de be ni de be na omo gine mu no omo mfa application omo render no success emma wa na se omo nsamfa mbra o se hwewe na se hwewe biom and I by asking maybe further evidence na answer omo de application mama status a wo hwehwe no eno nene so yakofa ba ya ba be pensem na ansa na meyi topic no ho edi no emre no konti no may invite me resource person ya bra penny lawyer Charles Asma na omfa enchianso emetifo na hwefo na afi yemfa topic ni ndwudwa na yenkoso sisia midamase mesero so baso abomode na share program ne ma me why ehumia litiko na enko baby biara o social media no so WhatsApp Instagram Twitter share baby afen so no like page no na subscribe to our YouTube channel na beka busua no ho na yenko yi misremo hia me pa sharing hia me ene pa lawyer Charles Asma mpacho me ma kwaba e di ba dwumedie so
Yeah, yeah. Na apomo e.
Adom nkwa, adom ye ho ye ankasa. Yo, pacha mema wakwenya na wodi nchia nso ametifo. Na afide ye de topic na betu dwa na ya pensem.
Yo, etefu na hwefo inde ifida anapenso yadze inchia kase ema obi biara a ote hen another orahwe hen. Maybe I would be a bombarding na to suffer for so that anapenso ye hia na ebedze nkomo. Na nkomo no oye hompa. So your application as a parent. Nyama ahen another dodo na case work no bɔhwɛ na waka dɛ ampa nyimpa yi wa qualify nti yɛmfa this and ɛmfa man ohia paa te bɔ to nsafo bi na yɛnhyia na yɛndzi nkɔmmɔ mbom.
Yo, lecture asma me da ase. No one hwam fantefo yedu ha. Martin there ne topic no what to kakra za ama na if we can read on the board say how does a case worker assess genuine and subsisting parental relationship in leave to remain application. So case worker ene yeba be mo oye application bia ye de koto obi efa application when you know home office day in and day out numerous applications na ba omunim na ne nyina nso they assign it to one person to take it on, take the guardian's note and then assess your application. Na afide enoma ye bisa ewo guardian's note mu a assist application no ma hwe se wo de ne nyina toto hihye pepepe a ansa na ntinepa ko yes no no ne case worker no and your wasem boko akoda nenim enti ono nso hwehwe ne mu a na waka ne o se oye na afi waye decision na se ombehwe na bia second person so ya hwe na opinion na se bibi na afi de omo grant o se omo de be ma na se omo mfa ma enti case workers no nyoma bebre wo ho a omo hwe ewo guardian's note no a okita no however nso say application lawyers ne ya na sometimes guardian's note no obi be see loopholes loopholes and say boy but nyoma nkiti bia me to me no yam say case workers nankasa na ya na omukro mo nti ase omunti o guardian but lawyers no na hye that ti ase yi papa na omutumi ahyehye wo application no e de amount na afede o de kwant na de mre bebre ya na e ka say wo application of akodan BWF Solicitors for omuye lawyers apapa na omu no munim se ne ombe ansa no but yenko yenim no ye bebisa lawyer asma asem kese we case worker eden no genu pa na ohwehwe ene nneoma ese ewo especially the parental relationship mo a o ye application de nya leave to remain ewo krom ha no eno na ene ye ba behwe twebe me fraudofo bi adaisa fo mi nchia kese pa edema sanso na telemi chichia mo ba so nyina mi nchia emo ohwam edema but emrene konti no menja eno answer. I acknowledge all of you and thank you and welcome. Also keep sharing and liking the page and at least say hello. Baso I say hello. Wonka hwe crowd there can be big kekenie hu say ampa o hwe ye na yenso ye ne age. Until asma I am back to you. Miss Raweni demo. Case worker no edi genu pa no hwe any subsistent parental relation or share was subsisting parental relationship more and sana wa grant to leave to remain ewo application awo ye no pacho adaroma o koso no na question say ba na ye buboso enso de amount
Yo na that's bebre. Enti etiefo ne ahwefo topic no nyama ba ko mienu bi omu a yepese eda edi. I say genuine and subsisting and parental relationship. And case worker na obehwe application say wo de ekwaje visa na watena UK o memu no. We a parent na wo de application ekọ. So why your application using form FLRFP. Leave to remain for family and private life applicants. Now, also we a parent. To the kind then it just say we a genuine parent. To assume then wo parent ye we ye no egusu ye adwuma in CZ as a subsisting. Na then nso say wo kra no wo parental relationship with sa akwala no a wodina no so no. Enti emra bi wo ho a omode ye adwuma aya ye kotu sa mra no. Efam ba ko ye frɛ no section 117B 117B of Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act 2002. Na ba ko nso ye frɛ no section 117D of the same Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act 2002. Na yɛbɛkɔ saa mmara no mu yɛwie a na afi deɛ yɛde nkyerɛkyerɛmu no aba na nkɔmmɔ no atoa so. Producer, mepakyɛ sɛ wayɛ ready a fa yɛnkɔ saa mmara no a case workerfoɔ ɛyi no parliament ɛpaase saa mmara no. Okay. Nti ɔsɛ Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act 2002. Please take us to section 117. We'll start with D, then we'll go to B. So go to the content page and take us to 117D. Content page. No, go up there on the left. Table of content. Yeah. And the table of content. No, table of content itself. Go to the table of content. Up on the left. The table. Yeah. Good. 117D should be down. 117. 117. So select 117. Select 117. Right. Then we go to D. That is A. But I think, so under 117, we have D as well. So D. Okay. Right here. And there's
Okay.
a part which deals with interpretation. If you can.
So, where do we read from?
Interpretation. Producer, if you can zoom it out for me.
Interpretation of this part. Okay.
Interpretation, yeah.
Right.
So 117
D.
117D.
Interpretation of this part.
So D3, isn't it?
D3. Okay. Yeah.
So just stay where you were. So stay where you were. The interpretation itself.
Is it from 1 or from 3?
No, it's not from 1.
1. Okay.
Yeah. So.
So
Yes.
Article 8, should I read or you go on
Please
straight away?
read for us.
Okay. Article 8, 1D interpretation of this part. 1. In this part, Article 8 means Article 8 of the European Convention of Human Rights. Qualifying child means a person who is under the age of 18 and who A is a British citizen, or B has lived in the UK for a continuous period of 7 years or more. Qualifying parent means a partner who.
So we are not interested in the partner, so we leave it at child, qualifying child.
Okay.
So the reason why we read the law is we've always been saying qualifying child.
Yes.
That is the root of that statement. So qualifying child is defined under section 117D1 of the Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act of 2002 as either a British child or a child who has lived in the UK for 7 years, and there are extensions to that now. Again, in addition to the two, we have a child who has indefinite leave to remain, a child who has EU citizenship with 5 years, or EU citizenship with indefinite leave to remain. So we know that there must be a qualifying child. for you to rely on as a parent to have a subsisting relationship for this application. Now, what do we mean by subsisting parental relationship? Let's go to 117B6. 117B6. So, producer, go to the content
Okay.
page 117B6.
Okay. In the case of a person who is not liable to deportation, is that one?
Yes.
The public interest does not require the person removal where the person has a genuine and subsistent parental relationship with a qualifying child. B, producer, can you go up a little bit, please? It will not be reasonable to expect the child to leave the United Kingdom.
Full stop. Good. So, where the parent has genuine and subsisting parental relationship with that child,
Mm,
the parent is relying on that child to make application. And
yeah.
also, we are saying that that qualifying child cannot be asked to leave the UK because it will not be fair or reasonable for that child to leave the UK
Mm,
with that parent. And that's the argument we make in line with some other laws, that it will be in the best interest of the child under Section 55 of the Borders Citizenship Act of 2009, say it will not be in the best interest of that child to leave the UK. So you see that there is strength here or the authority within the law. Yeyi na yɛde support nkurɔfoɔ application a wɔyɛ parent based on member. Na the question nyinaa ne sɛ case worker no assess wɔ application no a kwan bɛn so na ɔba assess sɛ wɔyɛ genuine, wɔyɛ subsisting parent, wɔyi ɛwɔ subsisting parental relationship, na akwalaa wɔyi ɔyɛ qualifying child. Yɛate aseɛ qualifying child no ɛwɔ mmara no mu. Na yɛka sɛ biribi ɛyɛ genuine a, nti case worker no so ɔhwɛ sɛ adepa wɔ ne relationship no ɛyɛ genuine a, ɔpɛ sɛ ɔhu sɛ yɛ nokorɛ sɛ ampa papa yi anaasɛ maame yi ɔyɛ akwalaa ne papa anaasɛ ne maame, anaasɛ ɔwɔ tumi a ɔwofoɔ ɛwɔ akwalaa no so anaa. Sɛ nyɛ genuine di a na kyerɛ sɛ wontumi nyusu. Nti na imagine sɛ maba ofie, maba ofie 1 week, na mehu sɛ wo akwalaa bi a ɔnni 18 years, minim ne din, minim ne biribiara hɔ a na matam ne information na mede kɔyɛ application sɛ woyɛ madamfo nti meyusu wo ba no. Nkyerɛaseɛ wɔ.
It doesn't make sense at all.
It doesn't make sense. In that case, that will not be a genuine parental relationship.
Yes.
It's not genuine. I may have parental relationship because me auntie ba, sorry, akwalaa no yɛ me nua ba, akwalaa no yɛ madamfo ba, akwalaa no yɛ my sister obi, but ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ I have genuine parental relationship with saa akwalaa no. So it wouldn't make sense. So what makes the relationship genuine? One, be a parent indeed. Under Children Act, a parent is defined as obi a ne din ɛwɔ akwalaa no birth certificate so as mother or father. But what I say?
Yeah.
Nti sɛ me din wɔ akwalaa no birth certificate so a, na kyerɛ sɛ akwalaa no ɛyɛ me ba. The relationship is genuine.
Yeah.
Number 2, mmara no ma kwan under Children Act of 1989 say, so obi enya tumi wɔ akwalaa no so sɛ ɔbɛhwɛ akwalaa no a, nipa no wɔ guardianship right over the child. Akwalaa no abɛyɛ caretaker. Nti sɛ woyɛ caretaker a, wowɔ tumi a ɛdi mu sɛ akwalaa no wotumi hwɛ no. In that case no, that parental relationship no so ɛyɛ genuine. Ɛna obi nso a court ama tumi sɛ nipa wei because of ne ɛkɔ so akwalaa no life no adeɛ no nti, yɛagye no efi ɔwofoɔ no nkyɛn, yɛde no aba nipa foforɔ a yɛfrɛ wɔn foster parents. Nti be a foster parent nso a ɔwɔ genuine parental relationship. Nti wei nyinaa no nipa no akwanya ɛwɔ hɔ ma no on that basis. Nti
Okay.
genuine parental relationship. Question is say, imagine it was say obi omo your parent, so a useless parent.
Hey.
Woman yen dissect it. Adentin na ebe say obi a useless
Obi a
parent.
useless parent,
Then
yes.
ebe obi a useless parent.
And no near some no. When
Maybe
a
so.
useless parent,
Maybe
yeah, like
so. Maybe so. Maybe so.
Okay, my dream no. Obi
Uh-huh.
a useless parent, na just say oni akwala na brabo mo hwa akwala no nso. Enti no or your parent but only ni usefulness to the child any ho. Enti na better so I say a useless parent e ma akwala no.
Very good. Very good. Internet just say, yeah, a case worker no be say yes, you are a parent because birth certificate ni kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ a parent. But
Okay.
are you needed? Okra ni akwala ni hia wo ana.
Aha.
Akwala no
Okay.
enhia wo there, then you are not useful to the child.
That's right.
In that case, no say wuti ho, say winti ho, it wouldn't affect akwala no in any way. But what just here?
Matthias here. But okay.
Then the next one is say,
Mm-hmm.
yes, we know that you are useful, but is
Uh-huh.
that useful? Is this usefulness continuing?
Okay.
No, I'm sorry. Hey, no, I can this a new one. No, hello. Let you say, no, I
Uh-huh.
chiada. Why you know as yaba?
Uh-huh.
Is that relationship subsisting? And I say, one and off, one and off.
Okay. Hmm.
Subsisting means it is ongoing. Egusu ye juma every day, every week, every
Mm,
month, every second. Ye juma.
okay.
And you say ye juma, we a genuine parent,
Mm-hmm.
but you are not as you don't have subsisting
Subsisting
parental relationship.
parental. Okay.
Patriarchs here.
Yati ohonasi.
In the case where can be community in our boom, no, I can say yes, you have genuine relationship. Yes, it is ongoing because we see it happening every day based on the evidence you have provided. The best are evidence no yɛkɔ yɛn anim no. Nti na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛte key terms no ase because ɔno na case worker no bɛgyina mu na emu nteaseɛ no na ɔde bɛyɛ adwuma na waka sɛ wɔ application no ɔbɛ refuse no anaasɛ ɔde bɛma wo. Okay. Yɛate ɛhɔ no ase no. And the nyama bɛn na case worker no bɛhwɛ sɛ relationship no ɛyɛ nokorɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ongoing.
Mm-hmm.
Now, na sɛ wo ba ɛwɔ hɔ a, how many days a week na wobɛhwɛ no?
So, I mean, 7 days ni nyinaa wohwɛ no.
7 days na wohwɛ no.
Mm,
Nti yɛni holiday meboa.
there be.
Wotu kwan koraa a ɔte wo nka.
Yes. Mm.
Nti ɛnyɛ sɛ wo ne na te anaasɛ ɔte baabi na wo so te baabi. Ɛnyɛ no asɛm na yɛreka.
Moti.
So, nti ɛyɛ sɛ mmara no nka sɛ you are living with the child or see you
Mm-hmm.
have ongoing parental relationship with the child.
Okay.
Nti kwan bɛn so na wobɛhwɛ wo ba na
Mm.
kwan bɛn so na obi hwɛ ne ba ma no yɛ yie sɛ woyɛ maame woyɛ papa kwan bɛn so na wohwɛ wo ba.
Akwaraa ne biribiara mu, n'aduanedie mu, ne school kɔ mu, ne ntarehyɛ mu, n'ayaresa mu no, ne nyinaa wowɔ hɔ ma no.
Wowɔ hɔ ma no. Nti
Mm,
I like the way I hope put no wowɔ hɔ ma no.
that's it.
Nti sɛ obi na ɔyɛ saa adwuma no deɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ wo no wonni parental
Wonni hɔ ma no.
wonni hɔ
Yes,
bi.
exactly.
Wowɔ hɔ ma no. Nti
Ah,
nneɛma bɛn na wode bɛgu akwan mu anaasɛ wode bɛkyerɛ case worker no a ɛbɛboa wo ma wadi adanseɛ sɛ ampa wowɔ hɔ ma saa akwalaa wei. Ɛdi kan
titiri no, titiri
yɛnyɛ
no,
mpɛsɛmpɛsɛm.
yes, titiri no, nea na ɛtae di mu paa sɛ akwaraa no mbia ne school kɔ mu no. Schoolfoɔ bɛtumi adi adanseɛ sɛ anyɛ biara koraa nna bɛyɛ nnum anaa nsia anaa mmiɛnsa no na wode akwaraa no bɛ school yɛpɔn so a wobɛfa no. Doctor nso bɛtumi adi adanseɛ sɛ abere biara sɛ akwaraa no yare a ɛnyɛ koraa no wotumi de ne ba sɛ mbia akwaraa no ɔyare mprɛ mmiɛnsa a wode mu baa mu mmienu nti na kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ hɔ anaasɛ n'aduanedie even mfoni mpo atwitwa wotumi ne akwaraa no kɔ place of interest na mudi akɔneaba na kyerɛ sɛ akwaraa no yɛhu anigye a ɔwɔ de ma wo parent no nti saa nneɛma nketenkete no nyinaa atumi kyerɛ sɛ ampa wohwɛ akwaraa no sɛ kakra metumi
Yo, now why are there pa when you PhD in legal studies?
amen.
The amount of programming so the amount. Starting some from doctor. Why? Yeah, the
Meyɛ
amount.
doctor koraa dada nti no
We are doctor, we are doctor, Anna.
doctor sɛ yɛdɛ doctor menya PhD mmienu baako yɛ education na baako nso yɛ legal matters.
No, good. Yeah, you, I mean, Niama Niya say, just to use the brain to learn. We also
That's
come to heal the heart by laughing and keep therapy going. Tini na
exactly.
eka homa no. Nti uba legal our programs that we na a full
That's
package.
correct. That's
We
correct.
therapy and knowledge.
Mm.
Yo, enti sene na ye kyerɛ mu no. Akwala wo se na wo hwɛ no. Nti yɛbɛwɔ nnwoma no mmienu, two categories. Edi kan yɛwɔ biribi a yɛfrɛ no self-serving evidence. The other one is verifiable evidence.
Yes.
Self-serving no nea wodi ma sɛ monhwɛ we na di adanse sɛ mehwɛ me ba no. Na verifiable ones no nea obi de ma wo a nipa no anim wo a ɔconfirm sɛ yɛ nokorɛ. Nti self-serving one no edi kan photos na yɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu no photos. And nyɛ obiara na ɔpɛ photos twa. But sɛ wontumi enya photos no so a wontumi nni adanse sɛ wowɔ akwalaa ne life mu.
Life mo nokorɛ.
Nti na kyerɛ sɛ ɛha no ɛnyɛ law, common sense approach.
Yes.
Sɛ wo ne wo ba wɔ hɔ no, ɛn sɛ akwalaa no life mu koraa no yɛwɔ stages.
Yes.
Akwalaa no stages ni nyinaa no wɔ evidence. Oh wow, time akwalaa no yɛtwa no first birthday cake. Birthday cake. You turn a 10th birthday cake. Meaning, 13th birthday cake. You've been part of Akwalani life, ongoing parental relationship.
That's correct.
What the Akwalani call football? What the Akwalani call games? Ballet, what the Akwalani call baby could grow photos, etc. You are part of Akwalani development. Akwalaa no fi school ba ne homework a woyɛ woboa no mpo sɛ wankɔ school koraa wakɔfa book no akwalaa no yɛ ne work na wote ne nkyɛn na woboa no evidence bi wɔ ho ɛyɛ subsisting parental relationship no ebi no akwalaa no wodi saa photos ni nyinaa egu hɔ no afi deɛ yɛhwɛ sɛ maame no a ɔwɔ akwalaa no anaasɛ papa no depending on nipa a ɔyɛ application no sɛ maame no na ɔyɛ application no a papa no bɛdi adanseɛ sɛ oh maame ɔwɔ akwalaa ne life mu even though ɔne me papa no na te sɛ papa no na ɔyɛ application no a maame no bɛdi adanseɛ sɛ papa no ɛwɔ akwalaa ne life mu a ɔboa no ɔbɛka ma na ayɛ dɛdɛɛdɛ yɛfrɛ no other parent support letter.
Okay.
To whom it may concern, Harry John Bentil, not the date of because John Bentil no your application, you know. My name is Yamenu. I live at the above address on this list.
Okay.
My father, my child's father is John Bentil. Unfortunately, our relationship did not continue after we had our child. However, John has never abandoned his role as a parent. He has been such a wonderful father to my child. Anytime he comes around, my child is excited, or our child is excited. Now, of course, when he comes around, he takes I'm out to the playground to do this, to do this. He goes to school to pick Amma up whenever I'm not available. He will drop Amma. GP, he will go with us. All those will become an eye and the without him, I will struggle to look after Amma alone. And then now I come and I and the dead. No, I trash us here. Now, my can no open chichimu fufra, my crado say,
Okay.
na ordinary number shares here, and I send the email I shares here.
Mm.
I mean, no, dear dance here, say,
Yeah.
pay useful. Now, without papa, way, akwalani life bad day, a bad miserable. You may be a biffy akwalani niji. Let us knew who akwalani ninji, yes, sir.
There be nene.
For 1 year, papa yi yɛde na akɔ ne kurom na akwalaa yi nte ne nka ɛne akwalaa yi ne life ɛbɛyɛ bad. Saa letter no ɛyɛ good to support because you prove subsisting parental relationship. Maame aka ne nyinaa ɛwɔ adeɛ no mu na yɛakɔ GP hɔ. Yɛaka kyerɛ GP sɛ GP wobɛtumi akɔmfɛm sɛ John Bentel ne din wɔ hɔ sɛ ɔyɛ obi a ɔyɛ emergency contact sɛ biribi ɛrekɔ so na yɛhwehwɛ akwalaa yi maame na yɛnya no a yɛtumi frɛ no anaa. GP-foɔ no bebree ayɛ a ɔmo ɛmpɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ saa adeɛ no. Nti the GP doesn't have to say you do this, you do this, you do this. Maybe because GP no nyɛ ɔnyɛ ɔno na ɛte fie. It won't mean can't chance can say. Na mmom GP no akwalaa ne record no ɔwɔ John Bentil din ɛwɔ so sɛ John Bentil ɛyɛ akwalaa ne papa. Nti yɛbɛka ne sɛ we can confirm that Amma Bentil is registered at this surgery. Amma Bentil lives with the mother or her address is so and so. We can also confirm that John Bentil is named as emergency contact for the child. The fact that we bought John Bentil din ewa ade ni mu no we di adanse say John Bentil ewo akwala ne child. Because oni akwala ne life ma nka bibi ya akwala na nka ye nkofre no but what does here? That means the relationship with the child is ongoing. And GP didn't say that. Nti whether the GP obekasa bebre or obeka 1 line, 2 lines, no, it doesn't matter. The here ni say independent person GP a confirm it BB. Na ya ko school for so be di adanse say ni din wo ho. Ni din wo ho say obefa akwala no say onfa akwala no, that is not the point. Ni din wo ho as emergency. But so you be out for akwala no a school for no nim no. So they will go further to say obefa akwala no or they announce say aye or the akwala no be school. And I say be a parent evening crowd to me ba ebi o metumi decide dance here no. Adanse here no o medi no enya ne dodo no ba kokra eye e wo mo letter no mu. Na ye de nyama we nyina aka ho. Na ya argument say papa we or genuine relationship with akwala no. And that's a mami we or genuine relationship with akwala no. Or ya akwala ne mami as akwala ne papa based on the birth certificate. And I say when your parental relationship from court through guardianship order or fostering right or any other caretaker writer or a court to their mano. And that's a buying at their mano. And that's arrangement to be a mowa, ebusuafo no wa, mami, enya, odeshe akwalai. Na photos, aba. Na impo sa wunye ejuma na wunjumi nsha woba no a. Woshe obi ni interest a woman isika. Akwanya a woboa so, eboa ehwe akwala no eye bebre. Emotional support, psychological support, physical support, and financial support. Ni nyinaa ɛyɛ support no a akwala no ehia efi ho. Enti So what me this adanse ni nyina na the ka application ho a when a lawyer ebeka say because a papa yi anasa maame a or application or parental relationship parental relationship no ongoing no enti say we no fi UK uka chenso ni nkrata nti onfi krom ha ba affect akwala no ya British and akwala no qualifying child under section 117D1 of the Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act of 2002. And because of that, my mini parental relationship also under section 117B6. And she said, one mommy and as a papa antina krum ha emboa akwala and it will not be reasonable. Say, mommy and as a papa no ebefi krum ha santi mfa nkrata no ema mommy and as a papa no ojina ne baso aje nkrata no. That is how a case worker no obey sa assessment no. No we be son who say, se nipa we the sa document we in aba or the explanation we in aba or the argument we in aba na me refuse no a me ankasa mato emra no anasa mentu emra no because emra no under section 117B6B no or say it will not be reasonable to expect the child to leave the UK and therefore if the parent is not under deportation as I say woman it's not krom ha na che say wan ye ne saa ono angasa wato emra no nti obehwe na watoto no kama na ewo mu a na wafra wo say John Bento ahwehwe mu ye hu say you have genuine and subsisting parental relationship and therefore it will not be reasonable for you to be refused and because of our calamity yama 2.5 30 months in the UK na boa na hwe obano kama na mpacho wo ho yo enti etiefo ne ahwefo ebra yeguso edi enkomo no yate ase se
Yeah, ready now.
yo
Yeah, lawyers ma sorry. School for who yo lawyers ma yebeda say any chichimu a wode amai say na I say I divided kaka but yes internet ne so player but it for mo fan chen ne nyina yegu so a yedi hodwuma be gina kama sisi a lawyers ma cheche mu na nsemfo bi a o kika no na nka me bebisa question bia na chese or na osan answer question ma me nti no me enije na me de say at least wetumi apensan mu yehu abra wo parent no yebehu say ampa o akla na abra bomu na nyoma wahihye wade atodwei ne nyina bedi adanse se wunni bia bomoden akohu lawyer na omono ntena se no mo nhwe ebia na emre na odi be application no or say odi kakra account na be ya obetumi gather especially the self existing evidence na self service evidence no says na put no na
self-serving
self-serving evidence no na wetumi put no together ehia nkasa ehia pa na afi no ne obi edebe ma o any say be a doctor na edebe ma o na say school omo head teacher na omo class teacher kra ebetumi dey ma and any other club in be a clinical after school club or baby any be or football in be or games and or swimming ne nyina mu no omo betumi dey dance sampa wona utumi any akla ne eba even sakra ne nya emergency kra e wo hospital a wo a woni no call ye no eye parent yetumi do din hye nti unya ye ka ne sen letter nso mbi anase evidence say amri say na akra ne mbi anase bio ota yare nti oyare nso ana emergency ne ekoye nko GP nti no some of these emergency letters indicate say ampa me na me ne akra na say wo ho kwan bia obefa so a obenya danse e kire say ampa o akra ne mo akwaraa ne ho no eno na doctor lawyer asma acheche mu na wetumi aka na lawyer ayembia we na wo kan nyina obetumu nse dodo na esipi se oni akwaraa no se bi oni neti ankasa na yenhwe se oni akwaraa na nti a menim se o kan ho no mante ho baba no se oni akwaraa na nti nso a na so still a wo akra na brabo mu a eno so sa evidence bia na odbekire na but se nye de bia na esan so ne ne nhye dan ti ne bia wo sra no emre because I know some parents no ebi mo dodo na nhye dan ni nkwala no ba so no omobo away home and away omota akobo home and away pa enti yenhwe such a parent so no so yes applications ampa o akra na brabo mu but as a matter of fact ankasa oni ne nhye da enti fa kwa sa evidence is still an apply to onu ana no ne de insinso different kakra wo yenim say ono na so kire sa ampa oni akra na ti but wetumi am eti ho kakra de amaye ho
Yo, and say me shase na yedi enkomo no. Because say it doesn't matter baby aqualanity.
okay
Because imrano and ye quote imrano so one can say baby aqualanity womb.
ampa wanka
One can. So and yet baby aqualanity ne here. Nembom how useful you are as a parent.
the acha akala no okay
Yeah, obi so unim so obi so mo ne aqualanity but we useless.
ene ya no
Yeah.
eh
Baby
no
aqualanity it doesn't matter. Ye wo mu mienu. So
okay
aqualano enti wo nchen a as I say, we say what direct access.
access eno sa we na mpese yete
Yeah,
no
I know your friend of direct access.
access
And
okay
direct access is defined. Say, even though you don't live with Aqualano, when sir, and I say we need you have access to the child.
child that's it
And yes, I say we ye biano, bibia in su kwine. That is direct access. Inti I don't know, obia or year 2.5, obi oma your student, obi akanyem, yami acha ba. The body are British or qualifying child under section 117D1 or a qualifying child. Student D or person switching from student to 2.5 as a parent.
parent
No, oti baby. Na maame ne akara no omuti baby. But share the bay, you could feel kwasra or your friend no akara no ba ne nchen oye bibia as so ye bia na ne bay. Or no what direct access no which may an application no under 5-year round.
okay
Because our direct access, our parental responsibility, which is ongoing and it is genuine, and on
yeah
one kasanku or one krata. Into one
okay
krata, you which may prove will meet all the requirements, immigration status, finance, relationship, and supporting the child. Once we meeting in ano, which me application no under 5-year route instead of 10-year
okay
route.
okay send you or 2.5 that into no
Yes, or 2.5 or visa dada. Say yes,
oh
student visa, skilled worker visa,
okay
or be dada.
oh be
And your
that
visitors
okay
visa or visa or little room had dada. Ah, upper
okay
source which a corner ban so. Into
uh-huh 5
meet English language and any finance 29,000 no do ya there.
yes
Obey me as a parent of a qualifying child.
child
Ah,
okay
the relationship no a genuine and subsisting. To
subsistence
me, yes, sir. And the one for phones were ono no our direct access, but
uh-huh
onin krata
almost
sani pano you never to 10-year route no so because on meet all the requirements. In the
okay
sani pano na application no obey no under EX1 paragraph EX1
okay
HSL will meet all the requirements. Nanso say I'm fan krata na ama no a na once na ha amboa say ye be hwe ne ba no a e ba affect akwala. Nti no
okay
no the number to 10-year route no so. Ya je to 10-year route no so a no obenya 2.5. Onya 2.5 a first 6 months no so to me prove say oye adwuma and the sika no do 29,000 because we nya contract no ye permanent contract no ye tia ne ka 29,000 before tax. Obet me
yes
switch from 10-year route to about 5-year route to so within 7 months.
oh okay
Kasi we save a bebree.
that's good
Then we come to Ofua. Omone akwala no nati.
mm-hmm
One akwala no enem akwala no maame. anasa akola ne papa na ti. Excuse me. Saa nipa no oye na application no a oye no as a family unit. Eno
Okay.
no application no eba under Gen 3.2 and of the rules.
Immigration Act, no.
No, immigration rules, no, paragraph
Rules
GEN 3.2, Gen 3.2. In the Gen 3.2, no, so I see there almost as a family. And because almost as a family, no, strength, no, a family one, a katakwala, so.
Okay.
Unless a mommy play the role as a responsible
Possible
parent.
parent.
Now, the boy akwala, no. Santi, so we papa yi fi mu a family no asai. Enti ebe hia se papa yi anase mami bekoso atena UK. Eno no again the papa no anase mami no beto 10-year route so as parent 10-year route. Enti your parent 5-year route and parent 10-year route. Difference in say parent 10-year route no nipa no will qualify all the requirements. Empo
Okay.
qualify kra akwala no ene maame no ene papa no they live together. Santi because ontumi ye no as a parent as a spouse no you never to as parent but never ko 10-year route no so. I don't know why o ma the sa but sa na eti akwa say wa woni akwala na eti ya punish you. Na wa akwala no ti baby dia ya reward o but unfortunately sana akoye nti eja no saa.
Okay, you Lasma. One answer question in your poppy up and no answer, but maybe so way quickly enough. Maybe a telephone lines no. Where parent a plano ma akra no ya no ha, but one way or the other no akra no be come nsa parent both parents no ewa ha say obia nam ne kwan na odi be mu but omo mienu nyina nso eni nkrata etire na say minim obi tumi eye ma odi akra no ebromo ewa ha say now akra no nya more than 7 years with them still a ọmụ mmienu nso so enni nkrataa na ọmụ bisa say in this case ya kasa akra ne tumi nya 7 years and above ewo kurom ha otumi gyina akwala no so ana also otumi gyima akwala no na ogyima no nso ana kyerɛ sɛ wo parents no nso wetumi akonkon ho sɛ wo na wo hwɛ no nti no so well say akwala no yɛ still under 10 years ana ɔka sɛ yɛ still under 10 years lawyer Asma such a case no omo chance say ampa ometumi agye ama akwala na Brian wo akwala no okrom ha because onye British citizen nanso abendi ni mre wa ha more than 7 years no and still under 10 years mpacho parents omo gina bia ene sen ene akwala no
Yo omumienu nyina 1,000,000% chance.
okay
1,000,000%. Wache kra. Se na
okay
onim. Nti ne ya
exactly
wache ne ya omwa no ho ende eye fieda. Oboa
okay
no ho a next week or the application betum. Impo so ni sika so de be ya ma akwala no a. Ono angasa betumi agina akwala no de no so. Akwala ne 7 years no so why ne de. Onya ne de na sadachi onya sika na wakwaya ama akwala no. Ananso betumi ayi ama akwala no ene ono angasa at the same time. So
okay
Miss Cow the betua, obetumi a fee waiver or qualify fee waiver for no ne
oh
akwala.
ene muti gold so monya ne ntem na yese unim nimdie bi a my people perish for lack of knowledge bi no enti mon sorry waka na monko hu lawyer na yen hihye yen fa no manto akwan mu emfa mamo na afedie mo to me nko esan wo one question bi nso we papa yi ewo evidence bebre but onya akra ne papa oni maame na ewo to be very honest maame no nenum to me na waka kire me but enye nhoma so no fa anyensen no sebi we hu nipa kwa o sheda enyem no na emom ekire onya abrantie bi eka ne ho ehwe na odomu nti no abrawo no na brantie ejina ne nkyempo yetwa foto ni doctors ye de akola ne share ne nsa ne ade kyese wadona akọ awo mu esan sisia no Ɔne ne nti mom nanso ɔhwɛ ɔwɔ akora na abrabɔ mu up to now. Maame no wɔ nkrataa all right. Na abranteɛ utumi nya a lot of photos a ɔne akora no from baby ngɛ wɔ hospital. Ɛno ne gyina ɔgyina hospital deɛ no so paa. Sɛ obetumi use saa adeɛ yi na ɔno nso ade agye nkrataa anaa. Last one patriote menka.
Me pacho si hono mami, the last one is mami.
Kyerɛ sɛ ɔno nso pɛ sɛ ogyina akwaraa no so but ɔnyɛ biological father. Na ɔwɔ a whole lot of evidence ɔwɔ akwaraa no abrabɔ mu, especially at the point of childbirth no. Ɔno kora na ɔgye akwaraa no free doctors ne nsɛm no kura no wɔ hospital abra ne maame da hɔ ne ade na kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ne boyfriend but ɔwɔ akwaraa no abrabɔ mu paa. Na obisa sɛ ɔno nso betumi gyina akwaraa no so abra ɔnyɛ biological father no na wetumi de agye nkrataa ana.
Yo, enti SSA you connect the dots. There is a lot in law, and this is mathematical law. Now we have to connect the dots. Papa way and the mommy way eshishaho. Yes, sir. Na
Lawyer, hold on. Yeah, pacho bisa question ni biom.
this is papa and the mommy. I'm worry about mushishaho boyfriend girlfriend.
Boyfriend, omo worry.
Very good. And now, shishaho for at least 2 years. Yes, sir.
Yes. Omo one can no anka ho but oka 50 point or akwala na abrabo mu up to I think 2 years about yes.
Akwala no abro 2 years.
Wabro.
Na why on na shishaho up to date.
Sir.
It's mathematically when you at least 2 years. In that case, because on the mommy ashishaho 2 years, Papa way and the mommy no omo relationship.
Okay.
Omo relationship. Inti papa no and the mommy no meet definition of subsisting relationship. First off. And now papa yi eka say mommy me no relationship. Inti say me mommy we relationship there and they automatically me mommy ne ba no so e wo den relationship. And because of that, I have become a de facto stepfather to Papa Akwalai.
Okay.
We will be bad there, but me na my savior. It's my baby stepfather. Me worry on my no, but abrabo me na my me ebo no etchin say ya worry.
Okay.
We are partners by law.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that is in terms of nanga we be kotu subsisting parental relationship.
Yes.
Under section
7D no.
7D one. No, because of course. Parental partner relationship comes about through marriage. And that's a cohabitation or relationship.
Okay.
I qualify, say, on name mommy our relationship because I'm not 2 years.
That's it.
And because of that 2-year relationship, Akwalai abayɛ ne stepchild. The stepchild so the same principle.
Okay.
Nti papa yi wa qualify ama na bro otumi gyina na ba no man so ekwaji so that he can continue to be
the
good
parent
ama Akwalai.
Wow. Enti se onya 2 years ne dia ontwen kakra. Sakwara ne nya 2 years a ontwen kakra na akra ne nya 2 years ansana wa koye sa application.
And yeah Akwala no relationship with maame no na say 2 years. So mo worry
which is perfect but enyo no onyinse maame no na nti na kire say abra ono mpacho meba abra maame na ewo no na enye na relationship na fe na ehya ase enti oni any evidence to prove say ampa oni maame no wo 2 years but baby a otumi prove say owo maame na abra bomu eno sa photos na opese odi kire say tama ye wo akwala no ɔno koraa na ɔwɔ hospital hɔ gye akwala nti ɛno stand as ne one evidence sɛ ampa ɔwɔ maame no ne akwala no abrabom from childbirth but akwala no nhyɛ da anya 2 years nti neɛ nkyɛkyɛm a woma ne sɛ ɔtumi prove sɛ ɔne maame no atena 2 years deɛ a ɛne ɛho hia sɛ akwala no nya 2 years koraa ansa na wayɛ saa relationship no mpakyɛ sɛ saa na ɛteɛ
saa na ɛteɛ but yɛnua no asɛm yi a okay am sɛ waka biribi a wokora wadwen nkɔɔ so
okay
ɔse ade a mewɔ nyinaa wɔ wiase nyinaa ɛyɛ photo a na mewɔ hospital hɔ nyɛ saa
sa
that is the only thing
uh,
na wokae the last time now wo goddaughter ɛwo no a wokɔɔ hospital hɔ no sɛ wo ne akwara no twa photo sɛ wo ne twa photo
yes we need to travel to
does that make you a parent no
okay
tumi ne obi twa photo nti sɛ papa yi accidentally ɔkɔ hospital hɔ ɛna ɔkɔɛ na maame wawo ɛna sɛ wow ɔgye akwara no twa photo na wakɔ ne name mu a sɛ oh mekaa sɛ me ne wɔ photo nti mede photo no kɔ na
exactly
subsisting relationship
okay
and
here lawyers no enti we dey ombomode a behu me nua be ma me se utie mi anope bomode akɔhu lawyers no na nyoma a de betumi de akyehye akwan mu de ama na wetumi gina so de aye nkrata tekra na nso you have to let them know exactly na yetumi nya evidence to prove we dey ye betinita enye ho because like a step parent no ewo ho obetumi gina so sesi there may be a telephone lines no call maybe a telephone lines and whilst we are still having the conversation no and I am piecing no na also o akwenya so obetumi afre na we do question about it was 07596620154 betumi the question about ho no betumi so attest and I say what send message on WhatsApp and I say even voice note crampo ewo WhatsApp call WhatsApp ne so a na wetumi eja message kama na yetumi abona lawyer asma ama wo moaye ewo ho enti 07596620154 na mo nso amode aba platform ne nso no madam asano nso making kind de ama mo na yetumi me nua ba Sandra Fraser my chia kese good morning ye je so me nua ba ye je so papa na odin ye kan say information nyina ekire say or say yetumi yekohu BWF Solicitors ewo omaso ye no odi abegu dwa ohia moa obetumi afre lawyer Charles Asma no me mebubo so because me gidi say ye wie ye na dodo na mo betumi afre nti hye sa no ma nso eye 079 47 636037 ufre sa na mana mesan sisu biom ye wie program na wetumi afre lawyer Charles Asma o asem bia na o problem bia eda was so ewo immigration mo you can contact him it was 07947636037 wetumi afre no sanso na wetumi afre office line no so na wetumi akọ we book appointment na wokọ here say you have to walk or go all the way to the office they can always have a telephone conversation or even a video conversation na ewo baby a wo bia so outside London before you even come to see the maintenance friend na yending komo me nua ba yi at a yellow 67 to say hi me jo super sanso na die safo me so me jo so afenya ebisa question because special greetings to lawyer Asma. He's doing fantastically well. Globally, we are so proud of him for his regular legal education and insight. God bless you, lawyer Charles Asma. God bless you, counsel. Yada see Mumunin Abu Bakar so say good morning, lawyer. Yeju so Sansonam Seri Fraser na tell me can tell the answer say bosso bosso waha din Sansona say good life where the adepa good life their good life he will be very educative papa ejare very educative good morning all please like and share as you join yenya Sir Fraser and papa ejare is very educative sir on point Tei Aditu Ogo John Akase on point. Sansona Theophilus Mattison say good morning, lawyer. Yeah, that's Pake inso Pakas say how do followers who are not Ghanaians benefit from this session? It's so unfortunate. What's okay? So, Pakas, if you are still listening to us, just before the end of the program, just about 11 o'clock, we summarize the topic that we brought in English language, and then you can just listen to that bit. If you don't understand from the beginning till the very end, about 5 minutes to the very end of the program, which is 11 o'clock, you can always get the English version or English summary of the program of the topic that we've just treated. So you are welcome. You can keep on sharing, liking the page, and then stay tuned until very few minutes. Lawyer will explain everything in English with that Ghanaian local language for you. So just a quick that Charles Asma's English version is on Saturday as well. So we also have English version purely speaking English, both the the host and the resource person speak purely English, and you can also join Saturdays 4 to 6 on the same platform, BWF Solicitors platform. You can have that education as well. Very, very. There they have 2 solid hours, so you can ask any question at all you want, and I'm sure you benefit a lot from that. Jima Isaac is also saying, please, what about being in a relationship with someone for 3 years but no child? Can that guarantee me a good point? Last month, I've been with this person. She's got papers or he's got papers for the past 3 years. And what about that as well? Metumi enya grata everyone. Na same bisa no. Yemi abema Jima.
Yo, ye nua ne question no obi a oya application not as a parent, na mom as a partner. Nkomo na yedi na ende no say parent. Ono ne de no say partner. So we a partner. Mrana ye quote no section 117 D and B hono a ye kan wansam no. O say we a partner. Now wankasa wuni nkrata, it will not be possible say yede nkrata no ebema wo just because we yere ewo nkrata. The only way I make say we yere ewo nkrata yede bi bema wo a wuni nkrata ne say bia wo yare pa ti yede uko ukroma obewu. Anasa we yere yare pa ti yede we yere yaka say we yere ndi wechi na ye monkwa a onu ontumi. Ena oyare pa no wo na wo hwe no. Anasa oyare pa no ono na ohwe wo. Sa na etia dia emra ne say yede uko ukromu a it will bring harsh consequence. And sa harsh consequence no is given under paragraph Gen 3 paragraph EX1B. EX1B. In this EX1B no, and the Irish said because of we yare no, and that's oba ne yare no, does that bring exceptional circumstance? When to improve this idea, unfortunately, if it's all about love, then it doesn't matter which part of the world. You have to go back to your country with your lover and enjoy love. Sign of reality.
Okay.
You have to move on to the next step. Impossible. Mammy waba. Na akwala ne yawo dia. You are a step father to the child. Me jina akwala no so ema ne yeye.
Okay. Obibisa, what situation will lead a parent not to be needed in the child's life? Em say lawyer has my account. Lawyer has my account. What I say what will lead? Then a bit chere and I said then ebe ma ye be who say wo parent no unni akwala na bra bo ma bra moti together. Lawyer say we dey account asem. Na obi na ese bi say afi no adwen him say wa wanti explanation no nti there na ebe leading to a parent not needed in the child's life. So no obi sa.
Well, I don't know what that Obisa said. What is the question written or just what
Yeah,
was it?
written direct to us. Say what what
will
will
lead
lead
to.
to a parent not needed in the child's life. So
Yeah.
T says, hey, I can't a chest or I
Oh, okay, because we say the child needs you or
yes,
you are needed. But the
yes,
question is, so no what needed in us here, then the answer for the negative will apply. And when we
yeah,
started, examples, Bebre said, you are needed when you are useful, when you
yes,
are responsible. Wode akwala no kɔ school, wokɔfa no ba, wode boa ma yɛdware akwala, yɛhwɛ akwala, yɛsiesie akwala no, ɛde no kɔdi agorɔ, ne work ɔyɛ, ne negye, woto nnwoma no before ɔbɛda, a whole lot of things are
yes,
normal parent ɛyɛ.
yeah.
Nti sɛ wote fie hɔ, na wei nyinaa wonyɛ deɛ a, na
Oh,
kyerɛ sɛ you are just a co-tenant.
useful. Nti ɛno saa no, ɔbaa no a ɛyɛ akwaraa ne maame no sɛ wokɔyɛ saa nkrataa based on akwaraa na maame no kyerɛ sɛ you are not useful ɛwɔ akwaraa no abrabɔ mu na kyerɛ sɛ obetumi atwerɛ nneɛma wei nyinaa opposite sɛ wonyɛ any of these things na kyerɛ sɛ nkrataa na wontumi ngyina so na wonyɛ. Me nua question a wɔde baeɛ ne ama wo wobisa sɛ wonyɛ useful wɔ akwaraa no abrabɔ mu ɛno na ɛbɛ lead sɛ you are not needed in the child's life. Meaning sɛ on the question no ɔka sɛ ebia parent no anaasɛ ɔbaa no sɛ bi ɛmfa no sɛ ɔbɛrima na ɛkɔyɛ nti ɔbaa no na ɛbɛka sɛ you are not needed in the parents I mean nim na adwene deɛ but sɛ nkɛ ba ne saa nso a na wonyɛ needed wɔ akwaraa ne life mu deɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ nneɛma nketenkete nyinaa wonyɛ ɛmma akwaraa no. Lawyer, yɛwɔ questions bi anaasɛ situations bi fa no sɛ situations bi a situations bi a ɛtaa ɛba in such cases ɔne parent no ɔhwɛ akwaraa no mmom ɔyɛ bet ebi ɔne akwaraa no nte nti no awofoɔ no bi wɔ hɔ a menim baako bi a bɛtɔɔ m'anim nansɛn ɔhwɛ akwaraa no but da bi ayɛ sɛ maame no demandi extra saa nti ayɛ sɛ papa no n'aba mu yɛ ebu nso ɔno nso ɛnam sɛ nkrataa no nti no omia ne ho sɛ ɔbɛyɛ biribiara akwaraa no pɛ sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɔkɔgye nkrataa no a maame no bɛyɛ de ama no nanso maame no nso de trɛte no sɛ one mommy see I mean just I mean you know what I'm talking about. There's that excessive demanding and this guy is really in the child's life. But my no the evidence, most of the evidence say ampa or a credit child, no use that as threat. Papa then obey obisa then obey. This will be
You,
lawyers.
I mean, now obetumi ayɛ ne sɛ ɔne maame bɛkɔ agreement a yɛfrɛ no consent as
okay.
to arrangement for the child's care.
Mm,
Now, under the Children Act of 1989, yɛhwɛ section 8 no a yɛwɔ biribi a yɛfrɛ no section 8 order child arrangement.
mm,
Sɛ maame wei anaasɛ papa wei fili sɛ maame de pressure to no so
mhm,
blackmail no ɛyɛ nneɛma bi a ɛmfa kwan mu a ɛndeɛ na obetumi ayɛ sɛ ɔbɛplay ne role for the child ɛsɛ sɛ ɛyɛ the standard role.
mhm,
Saa standard role no obetumi ne maame no akɔ agreement sɛ okay wonim biribi sɛnea nneɛma ɛkɔ no meme ha na mete na wo ne akwadaa no nso na ɛte nti
yeah.
wode yɛmfa so na yɛn agree kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛhwɛ akwadaa yi ndeɛ sɛ £200 na wopɛ sɛ metua no every month a metua sɛ wopɛ sɛ meba around every maybe 3 times a week I will come around sɛ wopɛ sɛ mekɔfa ne fi school so that the role no will be defined for him.
Yes.
Nti
Okay.
sɛ ɔyɛ said this is what I have to do a obedi so that yes sɛ ɔyɛ ya na sɛ oh yɛasesa goalpost ne yɛ movie saa ɛsɛ wobɛwie pɛ ne yɛ move goalpost
Exactly.
you feel sɛ take advantage of ɔno
Yes. Yes.
nti obetumi ne maame no atena ase so ne maame no tena ase na maame no sɛ daabi wompa a kɔ me amɛhwɛ akwalaa no a meyɛntumi me ne wontumi nkɔ agreement biara na still a na ofili sɛ wontumi nkɔɔpu a obetumi akɔ court
Okay.
arrangement order for the
Okay.
court to make that arrangement under Section 8 of the Children Act of 1989. Nti
Okay.
no a family law process. It is
Aha.
a jitum say na tie nti say na yebekɔ no a
Mm.
yen court esili a na court bɛka sɛ papa no yɛ no ɛno na obedi so.
Aye. Mm.
Na sa court is kasa ɛhyɛ sɛ papa no yɛ wei na papa
Uh-huh.
no ɛyɛ a obetumi akɔ court akɔsrɛ
Uh-huh.
court sɛ court mepɛ sɛ
Mm.
megyina saa ɔda yi a wode maa me so
Yes.
edi prove sɛ mewɔ me ba ne life mu otumi yɛ ne
That's
saa ma ne wie ɛde kwagye ne
ah,
nkrataa.
mo otie me dendenden nti no me sure say n'ani bɛgye ho paa na wetumi ayɛ because complaints ne de aba paa de bia demand foforɔ de demand for me abi de last month say manyeti my bro maami ne me be how mo ha me na me say well we be say me ahohene na nom ne saa because wo na wo hwehwɛ adekode no enti no wakyekye mu sɛ ɛkyere so a ɔmbɔ mmɔden ano nkɔ court hɔ na yɛma no saa order no girl yi ɛyɛ obi a ɔmpɛ sɛ like onim nea nti a abɛrima no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔbɛgyina akwaraa no so daakye because ɔne ne ba nanso onim sɛ ɔbɛgyina ne so agye nkrataa ne nti no wahyɛ daa ɛnam koti kwan so na de biara yɛsei saa nti no yɛ a mmaa no a mpatwɔ mo nso moyɛ saa no mombɔ mmɔden a nya tema kakra sɛ ɔbɛrima no yɛ biribi a ɛmfa no kwan mu a ɛneɛ why not but sɛ ɔse ɔyɛ biribia a wodemande bia nanso demanding no aboro so na ɔntumi bio ma ɛyɛ anam ayɛ considerate kakra all they want sɛ ɔmɛwɔ akwaraa no abrabɔ mu na ɔmɛtumi ahwɛ akwaraa no aboa wo yo the numbers again to call ɛyɛ 07596620154 anaasɛ wobɛtumi asɛn no message ɛde aba na yɛtumi akenkan ɛde ama wo menhwɛ messages ne bi wɔ ha na okay wei na ebi ne hɔ sisi a nti producer sɛ message ne bi wɔ hɔ a mpakyɛ obetumi Jima Isaac ɛka sɛ I wish to contact you directly. Yes, you can contact directly on 07 mpakyɛ Jima wontie mi a obetumi afrɛ lawyer Charles ɛwɔ 079 476 36037 obetumi afrɛ anaasɛ wobɛfrɛ Seven Sisters office no BWF Solicitors for office no na ɛyɛ 0208-493-7340 wobɛtumi afrɛ then you book an appointment anaasɛ you request for lawyer Charles asthma sɛ wopɛ sɛ wobɛhu no a akwanya wɔ hɔ a yɛde bɛma wo na wo nso woatumi ayɛ no saa na yɛakɔ yɛnim yɛabɔ 11 yɛanhyɛ aseɛ ntɛm yɛabɔ few minutes to 5 minutes to 11 na lawyer asma sɛ question bia anyway one question bi a me nso matwerɛ aha saa living together as family no but not biological father no but no wetumi akyekye mu nso de ama yɛn they live together but ɔnyɛ biological father nti na obisa sɛ in this case DNA play part of this application but I think say you've explained just said DNA no na umbo so na asma part of the evidence no DNA eka ho abra onim say onye biological father say I don't think say it plays a major role but let's see if where does the DNA comes in case say most of the evidences no on shede nya nanso DNA kyerɛ sɛ akwala no yɛ ne ba na sɛ akwaraa no yɛ ne ba deɛ ne kyerɛ nanso still a ɔyɛ useless a obetumi ɛno nso obetumi ayɛ application anaasɛ ɔntumi yɛ application wei deɛ ma yɛn
Mepatwo yɛn nua ne question no ɔse akwara no yɛ ne ba anaa akwara no yɛ ne ba
biologically no
ɔyɛ biological parent.
two questions na mebisa no
Okay.
baako living together but ɔnyɛ biological father nti ɛno no yɛaka ho asɛm.
Okay, so living together, all you need
family,
is you have to triangulate the evidence.
Okay.
Because a triangulator, as a triangle,
Yes.
there was relationship between you and the mother of the child, and your friend, the partner relationship, 2 years living together or married,
Okay.
and a relationship between Mameno and Nene Bano, and your birth certificate. They
Yes.
say what we prove relationship with the other parent. Now
Parent.
the other parent is proving a relationship with the child there, then you are
Yes.
connected to the child.
That's correct.
That's the relationship settled. Then we look
Uh-huh.
at whether it is subsisting in terms of the role you play.
Okay.
Nti yɛn nua yi a akwalaa yɛ ne ba yi, ɔse akwalaa no yɛ ne ba. Yɛhyɛ sɛ ɔwɔ birth certificate.
Yeah, it was so.
Good. Nti that means the relationship is genuine, meboa.
Yes, it is genuine.
But ɛyɛ 1+1, and ɛyɛ just one.
One, because one can
No,
subsist.
the law is 1+1.
1+1. Okay. Uh-huh.
The law says genuine and
And,
subsisting relationship.
uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Genuine and
And, uh-huh. One can genuine
not
or
genuine or genuine and.
okay. And uh-huh.
Nti when you baako aka proving say that
Eh,
relationship is ongoing.
or okay.
O
Okay.
plays a subsisting role. Nti say wetin prove say we relationship is genuine. Na mbom
Uh-huh.
wunni akwala ne life mu a ɛhɔ na yɛka sɛ woyɛ ne papa deɛ but woyɛ useless. Woyɛ useless nso deɛ a yɛmfa wonyɛ biribiara ma ne nyɛ yie. Ɛne wobɛtumi akɔtena wo kurom na akwala no
Eh,
abɛtena ɛne ne maame ɛwɔ UK.
so I useless na okay na mesere no. Say we are crying papa dear so you're useless. Last man, I'm had a day you no ever very yet no. Wait to me my home so just 1 minute now. Minya announcement I can have my English version no at the amayen na fama neighboring friends no those who couldn't understood the language that we spoke now no na kyerɛ sɛ wetumi afa ɔno nso ayɛ akɔ n'anim nti no BWF Solicitors legal hour ɛna na mogu so a motie no yɛbisa question sɛ police and patrol de question ne to hɔ ma me a sɛ wobɛtumi sɛ case worker fa wo work wo application na ɔbɛhwɛ a sɛ woyɛ parental relationship sɛ wobɛnya leave to remain in the UK no ɛdeɛ ɔhwɛ adeɛ mmienu genuine and subsistent sɛ wowɔ akora no abrabɔ mu ampa sɛ woyɛ akora abrabɔ mu ne afei nso wogu so a wo ne akora no di nkitaho no asɛ continuously be in the life of the child no ɛno subsistent no na afei genuine nso ɛyɛ nokorɛ paa sɛ wo ne akora no wɔ any kind of relationship no ɛno na ɔmo hwɛ nti no megye di sɛ afe no abɛto yɛn a if you scroll a little bit back reverse back the video na wobɛhu all the explanation that or the education that lawyer Asma ɛde bɛtu dwa no very very informative a law nti no monhwɛ na monhu sɛ mokɔyɛ application a ɛne nyinaa mu a yɛreka no sɛ wonim sɛ wowɔ such application a wobɛyɛ nanso how to go about it ne adeade no mpopo ntia ma ne nyɛ wɔ adadwen kɔ na kɔhu BWF Solicitors for ɛne ɔmo ntena ase baabi a ntokuro hyehyɛ biara na ɔsɛ wohu na application yɛ successful no they are the experts they can support you na application no ayɛ very successful at the amount at the end of the day ne nyinaa yɛasrɛ enti lawyer Asma mpakyɛw wobɛtumi ama yɛn summary no na afei asɔre yɛn aso.
Hello, viewers and listeners. Today we looked at how does a caseworker assess genuine and subsisting parental relationship in leave to remain applications in the UK. We understood that the phrase genuine and subsisting are specified within the law. We quoted the law as section 117B 6 of the Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act 2002. We understood that if there is such parental relationship with a child, then the child's life depends on you. And so it is better for you to remain in the UK with the child so that the child can continue to benefit from your presence and support and care. And on that basis, it will not be right for your application to be refused as a parent. We also understood that a qualifying child, or this child, must be a qualifying child. And a qualifying child, again, is defined within the law under section 117D 1 of the same law, Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act 2002. The law says that a qualifying child is a child who is British, or a child who has lived in the UK, born in the UK, lived in the UK 7 years, born abroad, brought to the UK, lived in the UK for 7 years, or a child who has indefinite leave to remain, or a child who has EU citizenship with 5 years, or EU citizenship with indefinite. All these are qualifying children. And therefore, if you are a parent of this qualifying child, you must show that you have genuine relationship. We understood that genuine relationship means that you have birth certificate to prove that you are the parent, or you have a court order to show that you are a caretaker parent, or you have some government document to show that you are the adopted parent, or you are a foster parent, or you are a guardian. All these things we have explained. In that case, you become a parent with parental responsibility. The next part to the equation is whether that parental relationship is ongoing or subsisting. Subsisting means that you continue to show that you are needed in the life of the child. Being needed in the life of the child means you are playing a role that a father or a mother will play, supporting the child physically, supporting the child financially, supporting the child psychologically, and supporting the child emotionally. All these are evidence of care and support. How do you support the child financially? Buying food for the child, paying for a child classes or activities, and so on and so forth, including maintenance for the child if you are not living with the child. And maintenance can be through the child maintenance services, where you pay money to the child's other parent through bank transfer, or some form of arrangement in terms of maintenance between you and the child's other parent. You also move on to prove emotional support, helping the child, playing with the child, assisting the child with homework. All these are pieces of evidence. The child is not happy, you counsel, you guide, you support. Again, psychological support, similar to emotional support. Physical support, where you physically look after the child. You take the child to school, you bring the child from school, you take the child to GP, you bring the child from GP, you take the child to playground, you bring the child from playground, you help the child with all the sort of things, including teaching the child how to do certain things to build and develop skills. When you do that, we say that you are in the life of the child and you play active role in that child's life, and that role is ongoing. And so you have subsisting parental relationship. If we're able to prove that, then we say that it will not be in the best interest of the child under Section 55 of the Borders, Citizenship and Immigration Act of 2009. Yɛto ne din Borders Act 2009 Section 55 no. Say, that a person who is helping this child, it will not be in the best interest of the child to be asked to leave the UK. That child will be affected emotionally, physically, psychologically, and even financially. And on that basis, you should be allowed to remain in the UK by getting a visa to stay and to look after this child. You have to prove all this, and that is why you need verifiable evidence from GP or school to show the role you play. Also, corroborative evidence from the child's other parent explaining the role you play. And all those self-serving pieces of evidence, including pictures and so on and so forth, bank statement showing the transfers you make to the other parent, supporting the claim that you play a role actively in the life of this child. If that's the case, You either apply on the basis of your direct access, where you don't live with the child, but you play your role, or on the basis of your family union support, where you live with the child and the other parent as a family unit. And both applications, where you don't meet all the requirements, including English language or the finance of 29,000, you will be placed under the 10-year route, and your application can be made under paragraph EX1 of the immigration rules, or under Jan 3.2 of the immigration rules. All these are pieces of evidence that we can put together to support this application for this parent. If you are living with the child, but you are not playing any role, it will be difficult to prove it, because you may not get GP or school letters to support, or you may not get the mother's corroborative letter to support. How will you be living with a child and yet playing no role? You may be living there, but you have abandoned your responsibility and you don't care about anything that happens to the child. In this case, you cannot claim any right that accrues from this child. These are the things we covered today. We believe that you've picked a couple of things that may assist your next application as a parent of a qualifying child who wishes to remain in the UK. Whether you have papers or you don't have papers, whether you are an overstayer or you are not an overstayer, this is how you can rely on your qualifying child to apply to remain in the UK legally.
Okay, thank you so much, Lawyer Charles Asma, for this explanation and then summary of the topic that we've treated today. Tiefo na ahwefo m sa ha na mrebe ma ye nkwan na ede dwumedie no abawie. Meyidi se mo amoba so nyina mo ahye program no ede amaye na yegide nso se mo nya ho emfaso nti saa nso na mo extend by keep on sharing na dodo nso enya saa mfaso no. Media ni manyeti ansa na ebe sorry na so no meba mo nkae se nyame adom ochina the legal, the community and the law no ebe baso na yetumi aye ede amamu. Last man pacho den abija ene anse yako.
So, viewers and listeners, we've covered all that we need to cover. This is your opportunity as a parent with parental responsibility for your child. Whether you are a stepfather or mother, or you are biological mother or father, or you are a caretaker parent to the child by law or by court order or by church arrangement, you have opportunity to remain in the life of the child. By so doing, you can be able to play a role meaningfully in ensuring that the upbringing, development of the child is intact. This is good chance within the law to regularize your stay. Seek help, seek advice, assess your situation, and put in your application given or within the next available opportunity. Join us tomorrow, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. for another interesting conversation. Tomorrow's conversation will be very interesting because we are going to be looking at someone who has donated sperm and a child has been born out of this sperm donation. Can you say that you are the father of the child and apply as a parent of a qualifying child to remain in the UK? That will be the conversation for tomorrow. Join us.
That will be the conversation for tomorrow. I can't wait. Very interesting one, of course. Till for Nyame Shramo, Nyame Adoma. Next week, same time, same place, the same place. Until then, have a lovely, lovely, lovely weekend. Adios. Bye bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.